What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog. Currently I am about to get dressed, or I'm about to shower, get dressed, and drive out to Beaverton to DITA Barber's. They're having a hair jam, and yeah, I want to go to it. So it's about 6:35. It starts at 7:30, so I'm gonna be a little late. But it's a hair jam. I could be late and be good. So let's shower real quick, and then we'll get going. Cool. Let's go to DITA. Just got to DITA. It is mad busy in there, so we're about to walk in crazy like it's shoulder to shoulder in there, so let's see what it's looking like. Oh, in here. I'm walking in with a camera too. Oh shit. Police just showed up. Oh shit. What's up, y'all? God damn. Alright, party's over. I gotta go home now. So I got me a little half. It's crazy. I don't know how much filming I'm gonna do. There's so many people here, but it's good to see everybody. We all friends and shit, so it's cool to link up with everybody. They got some Mr. Tani shears over here. I'm gonna try to take a look at. Somewhere over there is some Mr. Tani's that I'm gonna try to look at while I'm here. So, but I'm gonna drink this beer. So, this is falling asleep right now. You drinking but people cut hair.
Enjoy all you want, but you can't ask any questions.
That was way too for his density. I think you see that more time into this.
Building your technique, yes, it is hard, but dealing with real people in the public, yes.
Okay, so I stepped out briefly to talk to you guys a little bit. It's crazy in there, you guys can see. So what I'm trying to do is just capture the moment, but I'm also trying to live in the moment too. So please excuse if this vlog is short. I'm hanging out with people, like-minded people. We're learning things, talking things, everything like that. So if you guys are ever in the area, you guys should come by and check one of these out. So I'm gonna go back in here and enjoy hanging out with my friends and colleagues and like-minded people up here at DITA Barbershop. So we'll check in with you guys soon. Okay, so I decided to get down a little bit. I found a model to cut. I'm gonna do a ball fade. I'm gonna do a crop with a ball fade, but I'm only gonna use shears and a comb. So we're gonna flex a little bit here, because we got some hitters. This is my canvas before. He's already pretty short on top, so I'm only gonna have to texture that out. But we're gonna bald fade all this with just some shears and a comb. Are you ready? Ready. Woo! Caesar just called me out about not vlogging, so I'm gonna give you guys a little update. This is the finished fade. What do you guys think? We got the peak right here, the little high, nice little accent peak. Just kidding. This is the fade with just shears. Nice little crop in the front.
Because I found myself tomorrow. Talk about this area right here.
So we're about to get this side done. Kill it. These guys are just still going at it over here. Kyle and Albert. Double team and a haircut.
I'll start here. Kyle's side, like this. Albert's side. When you come back here,
Let me get back to my science project here.
all the time. I got Barber these.
Just got back to the house. Super late night. But the last clip you've seen was the footage of the finished scissor fade. Didn't come out as good as I wanted it to, but it was fun. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I should be back to daily uploads tomorrow, like after this one. So anyways, hit the red subscribe button, join the team. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. What's up, YouTube? It's the Barber Teezy, and I appreciate you watching this video. If you guys like the content and you want to see more of it, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button right in the middle, my little face thing, wherever it is right here. Hit that and subscribe and join the team. If you guys liked this video, hit the like button for your boy. And if you want to check out more content that I've made, click on this video here or this video here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.